Hey friends, TUXX here. I am super pumped because I have another box here from Lotus Bliss. What amazing things will they send us this time? I mean, I have several videos going back on my queue you can check out just of some amazing jewelry pieces they've sent me. Their artisans pick the best stones with just spiritually significant, amazing pieces of jewelry. In fact, if you're not familiar with the website, here's a quick look. You can see here they have just really cool stuff going down the queue here. You can see they have necklaces. They have all sorts of bracelets and things. I have coming up here, let me see, I have that one, it's just amazing. I have a few other ones in here. I have that keychain, awesome stuff. And just so many cool things here, guys. Just amazing, amazing store. I will have a link for this in the description right below. But let's get to the unboxing. Lotus Bliss do a great job of boxing up here. Sorry, my dove is cooing in excitement herself. We got the little seal here. We'll break this and pull this up, and let's see what goodies they have for us today. Check it out, guys. We'll go ahead and pop this open here. Everything comes really nicely wrapped. It's always very secure, and oh my gosh, very cool stuff. We have two packages, two little blind boxes today to open up, and check it out. They give like a cool little sack with it too. I really like these. This is great for travel. It's great if you're wearing one to bed, and some of these like are such great, almost like art pieces. Okay, for our first item, we'll do this box here. Again, Lotus Bliss do an amazing job of sending things in just beautiful boxes. Minty green, satiny. I mean, this is a gorgeous gift box, little gold accents, very cool all the way around, all sides, just really beautiful. So if you think about giving this as a gift, rest assured it's going to come in just an amazing, already presentable way, which your gift receiver is going to absolutely love. All right, I have no idea what's in here, guys. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have going here. We'll pop this open here, and oh my gosh, I would not have expected that. This is super cool. So what we have here, guys, is a goat horn abacus, okay? And this is a keychain, although it really could be used as a charm or something, and just amazing detail. Check this out. Super cool, amazing quality. It's actually functional. Look, all the little beads here, you could actually do some real math on this, which is really cool, you know? And you can count the chaos, if you will. Just really beautiful. Loving, it has kind of a translucent look to it, and lots of good little beads and charms. Look at up top here, so many cool little things going on. Very, very cool. Definitely, you could say this is the goat. I'm gonna crack a joke here. This is the goat grace of all time. This is really, really cool, guys. I've never seen a keychain with such amazing little detail to it, and this is something which would make a great gift for somebody, maybe someone who's studying engineering or really into math, you know, or someone who wants wealth and prosperity to fill their lives. Just really cool, very beautiful charm with all these extra little touches here up top. Absolutely loving it. Okay, time for box number 2 here. As before, comes in a beautiful package here. Again, I can't speak highly enough about this. I love the way even just like, look at how the light just shines across it. It's kind of reflective. Very beautiful, very silky. Just really an awesome package. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. We'll go ahead and open this up. And as usual, we got our packet. Oh my gosh, something gold. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is cool. Look at that. So many little charms and things too. So what we have here, guys, is a Tibetan pendant and braided cord necklace, okay? So lots to love in this. Check out the fine details of this. Absolutely beautiful. Loving the gold. Look, flip it around. And oh my gosh, I didn't expect that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Little accents going around the corners. Absolutely a beautiful piece. Every edge gold looks beautiful. We have little pendants and charms on here. Lots of little knots and frays all through it. Absolutely beautiful, guys. And these knots are handmade knots, so very cool, very spiritually significant. Just beautiful Tibetan Buddhism piece. I would love this. Look at that. Even just like little charms on the charm. That is absolutely gorgeous. To recap, I am just blown away. As usual, Lotus Bliss just do an amazing job. And again, there'll be a link for you right below. So be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. But what I have to say that stands out about these guys is just the quality. They're artisans, pick the finest stones, the greatest amount of detail put into just all the little touches of these, from the little knots to all the little charms and everything else. It's really authentic, guys, and definitely spiritually significant, and it's a gift that will be remembered, you know. Just absolutely beautiful, guys. If you have any questions about Lotus Bliss, please reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, and I will have a coupon code for a limited time down below in the description. So be sure to use that coupon code to get an extra amount off, okay, while supplies last. So definitely very cool, guys. If you haven't seen my other videos, I have several other videos back in my video queue of some other amazing jewelry from Lotus Bliss. And this could just, again, make an amazing gift for somebody. We have Christmas coming up. You know, we have other holidays coming up for the holiday season. We have Valentine's Day coming up, or just a gift to say I love you, or a gift for yourself, you know, just it's beautiful jewelry that goes beyond jewelry to both being spiritually significant and also just being like a mobile, a wearable piece of art. Just the quality is really there, guys. Like, I absolutely love this. I have not seen higher quality anywhere else. So this is the way to go, okay? All right, guys, I want to thank you again for watching. And, oh, I always try and pick a favorite, but, you know, with these two pieces, I really can't. Like, I love this one here with, you know, the Articus with the little mobile pieces. Just very, very cool, you know, and all the little beads and charms. And this one here, just, it's got some really good weight to it too, and just really, really beautiful to look at. So you really can't go wrong with either of these two choices. But again, if you go back in my queue, you'll see there's a lot of other things. It's so hard to decide with these guys. They always send me such amazing things that, you know, enlighten and help my life as a whole. So I'll have some videos coming up next year too on this subject matter. But in the meantime, again, if you guys have any questions, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, okay? But I want to thank you for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it, guys, and have a good day, okay? Bye-bye. Click the link.